All right, guys, I am going to show you how I take care of my hair, how I check my hair, how I condition my hair, and all that. Y'all have been wanting to know, and today is the perfect day to show you all. Now today I am washing my hair, y'all. I am washing my hair. And what am I washing my hair with, y'all? Sulfate-free shampoo. Yes, I am. Sulfate-free shampoo. Now today, we're going to play it by ear of how I would, naturally do it. We're going to wash this hair. Look at the hair. We have been putting our hair up. We have not been adding a lot of product to our hair. We've basically wake our product up that has already been on our hair. And we can do that for a week before having to reapply some more product. So y'all know before we made our decision on holding off on the texturizer, y'all know we cut all of this on the sides and back off. Because we was just going to leave hair, in the top. We were just going to leave length. Just basically in the top. Then I decided to let it grow. And I am going to enjoy it. And then if we do one big cut, then we do one big cut. But now, y'all, we are washing our hair. I am about to go wash this out. Then I am going to show you all the conditioner we are going to use. Yeah. All right, guys, we are back. I have just washed out the shampoo. We used Cantu sulfate-free shampoo. Now, this is where we are just detangling our hair, y'all. We haven't had our hair loose like this in a minute. And I know it is all uneven. I just know. Now, this is a microfiber mitt. This is less abrasive on the hair. So this will help you dry your hair with less friction. If you don't have a microfiber mitt, you get 2 of these for like $5 at Walmart. But if you don't have one of these, then use a t-shirt. All right, that's less friction on the hair. Now, you all, this is where I decide on what I want to do. I already know that my hair is uneven. I already know it's uneven, y'all. I'm looking to see if I want to color it or just use a, rinse. Because this is the time to, figure it out. Now that we have washed our hair, you need to decide if you are going to color it. And usually I use a Bigen rinse to color my hair. How much of your hair are you going to color? You may not need all of it, color. And the process of how you're going to color it, okay? Just time saving. Today I do want to color my hair, y'all. If I wasn't going to put a rinse in my hair, then I would have just put on this right here. This is a Cantu sulfate-free conditioner. I would have just put this on, really, to tell you the truth. But I need to put some color in my hair. We're going to shake this up. This is a pre-mix, natural black, color. Now, y'all, I love this. I'm done with box colors. I can say that. You should never say never, and I didn't say never, but for the most part, you all, I really feel safe with this. This is my go-to. Yes, it is. The only way I would go back to a box color, it would be like Dark and Lovely, natural black. Because that color, for some reason, when I used that color on my hair, y'all, my hair grew. And that was a box color. With this rinse right here, I'm just completely safe. I'm just completely safe. I don't have to worry about my hair drying out, coming out, being damaged by this, or anything. And when I'm ready to go into a different color, I just wait for this to wear out. And then, I could put Oops on my hair. That's like a color remover, y'all. Have y'all ever heard of that? Oops. You can get that and a couple of other color removers from, salads. So, we're going to put this all on. And then, y'all, I'll probably let this sit for a while. I usually do. It's up to you on how long you want this to sit. But I don't want to be sitting with rinse on my hair all day. So if I really wanted it to, take better and faster, then I will put myself under a dryer. And now that I have that bag dryer that I bought from Walmart, y'all, I bought a bag dryer from Walmart. And y'all, I love that thing. I love it. Yes, I do. So we're going to rub this all in. We're going to rub it in, y'all. While I am rubbing this in, y'all, thumbs up the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and most definitely share. I am showing you all my routine of how I grow my hair, take care of my hair, color my hair, the stuff I use. Y'all been asking about that. Y'all have been asking about that. Get me some paper towels here. Usually I use just a band. Y'all have seen me put that band on my head before. But I'll put that on afterwards. I didn't bring it in here. And I'm just folding this, tissue. Just folding this tissue, y'all. Just for safety. Only thing I'm doing is wrapping it around. You can either tie it or clip it. Oops. So we ain't gonna do that. We still got some left, so we can put it right there and we can clip that. So we just gonna clip it here, just to hold it a little bit. See, that's what my band is for. I didn't bring it in here. And I have a shower cap that is only gonna be for my colors. See that color there? Yeah. We're gonna put it around the band of that. And now, y'all, we are gonna go mind our business for like an hour. One stone. Now, this is a hot and hotter bag that I got from Walmart, okay? This is a bag that goes on your hair. And you can watch TV. This is if you don't want to sit under a hooded dryer, all right? And since I know that I don't want to sit all day with this on my hair like I did before, then I'm just going to put this bag on my head. It looks like this, y'all. Hot and hotter, hair drying attachment blow dryer bag, all right? I like this because we can do a lot of things with this, y'all. We can do hot oil treatments, deep conditioners, just a whole bunch of set your hair. If you got rolls in your hair, even if you just got a wrap in your hair, you just, put this bag on and it will dry your hair. Trust me. All right, so we have that on. Let's turn it on. And while I am letting my hair, the color soak in my hair, I am going to set this ponytail because I may wear her tomorrow. Okay, cool. Cool, right?
I swore I'd block your number for good, but here you are texting me you up. I know exactly where this is, on your side of the bed at 3 a.m. I tell myself don't fall this time, but you say my name and I lose my mind.
All right, guys, her hair is done. And if I want to wear her tomorrow, only thing I have to do is take her down and she is going to be pretty. I have had this on, I would say for a good 20 minutes, y'all. A good 20 minutes. And this is the way that it is looking. This is the way that it is looking. Let's just take this off. Okay, so this is the way it's looking. So what I am going to do is go rinse this out, and then we will be back for the next step. All right, we are back from washing out the rinse. Look at that. We back. All right, y'all, we are back from rinsing out the hair, and I am just detangling the hair. The next thing that we are going to do is this. Now, y'all know we had the rinse in our hair, and what I am not going to do is use this, because with a rinse, every time you wash your hair, you're washing out the color. So if we put this on our hair, we're going to have to put this on our hair. This is conditioner, and a lot of our color is going to come right back out. If you want to put this in your hair, and sometimes I have done this, I have put conditioner on my hair and then mix my color in with it, and then just let both of them sit, so it'll be one big washout. You can do it like that. I have done it like that many times. But today I did not want to do that. So since we did not do that, what we are going to do is use some leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is some argan oil, strengthen and shine leave-in conditioner. All right, so we're just going to spray that on there lightly. So we have this in our hair, right? Now I'm going to show you the next thing that we are going to put in our hair. Rosemary water, y'all. I love this stuff. Right before I put my ponytails on, I treat my hair with this. Ooh, and I really get what I used to have, you know, thin areas here, here, and here. I really get those areas, but I'm good. Now that we have our leave-in conditioner in, and we have our rosemary water. Oh, I love this stuff, y'all. Let me stop. This is As I Am rosemary water, y'all. I told y'all that ain't going nowhere. So we get that all in. And so the next thing that y'all know that I love, y'all know that I love this Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1. Yes. Now I have it in a spray bottle, y'all, but every time I wash my hair, I use it how it comes out of the bottle. In my spray bottle over here, I have it mixed, diluted, because it's real thick. And I'm gonna show y'all just how thick it is. It's like a lotion for the hair. Y'all see that? It's thick, y'all. It's not drippy or anything. See that? It's thick. So we're gonna rub this in real good. All right, so we have rubbed that in, right, you all? We have rubbed this in. So now, you all, it's up to you how you're going to style your hair. I am going to probably, let's see how I do it. Most likely, I will blow dry my hair. All right, guys, well, my hair is not completely dry. I just wanted to blow it out a little bit just to see where I am. And I see where I am. So I know me. If I do not put my hair up, I am going to cut it off. It is uneven like a mug because we have been putting it up and just treating it. That's what we've been doing, y'all. And our hair has been growing. So what I'm going to do is stop here. I am going to put a bonnet on my head, y'all. Our hair is moisturized, it's clean. Most likely we will set our hair to put her on tomorrow. So be looking out for that video and how she's going to turn out. I'm just going to put a satin bonnet on, y'all. Go in there and do my facial. And that is about it. That is about it. Well, guys, I want to thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I left out that you want to know, and you already know I'm going to ask you back. Also, guys, I want you to go and support my other channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we walk the weight off and do fashion shows and home decor hacks like you see here. And I know you're going to enjoy that channel. So go and support both channels, Regina TV and Regina's Way. And until next time, guys, when we style this hair, I'll see you in the next one.